Hi guys, so these are my new wheels with the hub. They have a tooth designed in them. So to show you, I'm going to show you from a rolling start in an icy situation. Let's actually go right over the ice. And you'll see it just bites into it. Slips a tiny bit. Let's go over here where it's completely ice. And do a rolling start. It bites really well into it. Oops. There we go. So this works for most of the hard ice. It works pretty good. I mean, you can't go super fast on it, but it's a huge improvement that you are able to get traction over ice. Look at that, just biting into it.